The most decorated soldier of World War I wasn't human. Before GPS, before radio, before satellites, armies used birds. World War I, the U.S. Army Signal Corps deployed 600 carrier pigeons. Message delivery rate 95%. No battery, no encryption, no signal required. October 3, 1918. A battalion of 554 men was surrounded in the Argonne Forest. No radio contact. They released their last pigeon, Cher, shot through the chest. One eye gone, leg nearly severed. She flew 25 miles in 25 minutes. 194 soldiers survived. Cher received the Croix de Guerre, the French military's highest honor, given to a bird. The most reliable communication technology in World War I weighed 340 grams. Do you know what was written in that message?